Understanding the role of Board of Directors in corporate governance. Board of Directors. The Board of Directors refers to the group of individuals elected or appointed by the shareholders of a company to oversee its management and strategic direction. The board collectively acts as the governing body of the company and is responsible for making decisions on behalf of the company's shareholders. Key functions and responsibilities. 1. Strategic oversight. The primary role of the board is to provide strategic oversight and direction to the company. This includes setting goals, formulating policies, and monitoring the performance of management to ensure that corporate objectives are met. 2. Decision-making. The board makes key decisions on matters such as corporate strategy, capital allocation, major investments, mergers and acquisitions, dividend policy, and appointment of senior executives. 3. Corporate governance. Boards are responsible for ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, maintaining ethical standards, and promoting transparency and accountability in the company's operations. 4. Risk management. Boards oversee the identification, assessment, and mitigation of risks that may affect the company's business, financial health, reputation, and stakeholders. 5. Stakeholder relations. Boards represent the interests of shareholders and other stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and the community at large. They ensure that the company operates in a manner that balances the interests of all stakeholders. Composition and structure. Directors. The board typically consists of executive directors who are involved in the day-to-day management of the company, and non-executive directors who provide independent oversight and bring diverse expertise. Chairperson. The board may have a chairperson who presides over meetings, sets the agenda, and ensures effective communication and decision-making among directors. Committees. Boards often establish committees, such as audit committees, remuneration committees, and nomination committees, to focus on specific areas of governance and oversight. Legal framework. Companies Act, 2013. The Act contains provisions relating to the appointment, qualification, powers, duties, and responsibilities of directors, as well as rules governing board meetings, resolutions, and corporate governance practices. Listing requirements. Companies listed on stock exchanges are subject to additional governance requirements prescribed by securities regulators, including requirements related to the independence of directors and composition of board committees. Importance. Effective leadership. A competent and diverse board of directors provides effective leadership, strategic guidance, and oversight, contributing to the long-term success and sustainability of the company. Accountability. Boards play a crucial role in ensuring that management acts in the best interests of shareholders and stakeholders, fostering trust and confidence in the company's governance practices.